Hello everyone, I'm Rajesh Respal and I'm going to talk about group policy in Windows Server 2008. So let's start. So here are the agendas that are needed to do until this presentation. So here are the, the tasks, which are remove links and access to Windows Update, remove network connections from the start menu, remove help menu from the start menu, remove run menu from the start menu, remove my pictures icon menu from the start menu. Uh, here are the other agendas. Remove my music icon from the start menu, remove my network places icon, and add log off on the start menu. So next is remove task manager from Control Alt Delete and Internet Explorer browser title. Next is prohibit access to properties of components of LAN connections, prevent access to the command prompt, and prevent access to the registry editing tools, and prohibit access to the control panel. So let's get started from the group policy. So the first step that you're going to do is, first you need to click on the start menu, then select administrative tools, then finally click on Active Directory users and computers. Next, create an organizational unit. So to create an organizational unit, after going to the Active Directory users and computer, just right click the name of your domain, then you can find new, then organizational unit. So you need to create an organizational unit so that you can determine the permissions that's set for them. Next is on step 3, create an organizational unit for each section. So here I've created from admin and the users. Next is step 4 is close the ADDS, then go to start administrative tools, group, group policy management. Then step 5, after you have gone to the group policy management, right click on the group policy object and click new. Then rename it and click OK. So here I've named it as BSIT policies. Then click OK. After that, you have already created a group policy or object which is named BSIT policies. So here we are gonna edit permissions for each. So step 1, on the newly created policy, so here we have created BSIT policy. So just click on it and click edit. Then navigate to user configuration administrative templates control panel. So here just go to, after clicking user configuration, click administrative templates, policies administrative templates, then control panel. After clicking that, you can see this add or remove programs, display printers program, regional language options. Thus in here there are also policies here. So what you need to do is click on the prohibit access to control panel properties. So here the third policy there is prohibit access to the control panel. So just click on it, then click enable. After clicking enable, apply the changes and click OK. So next is in the command prompt, you need to navigate to the user configuration administrative templates, then system. So after clicking the system, you can see different policies there below. So just click on this prevent access to the command prompt. Then after clicking that, enable the policy prevent access to the command prompt. So just click on enable, then click apply and click OK to close. Next is the Windows Update. So in the Windows Update, we have to navigate to the Computer Configuration Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then Windows Update. So here you can see the different Windows component. So we just need to enable the enable the policy remove access to use all Windows Update features. So just click on enable, click apply and OK. So next is the start menu. To edit the policies for start menu, navigate to user configuration, administrative template, start menu and taskbar. So here go to start user configuration, administrative templates, then the start menu and taskbar. Then you can see the different policies there. So you need to choose the enable the policy remove pictures icon from the start menu. So here in the start menu, we are going to enable the different policies. So first is the pictures. So we need to remove the pictures icon from the start menu. So here in the start menu, just go into the user configuration administrative template start menu taskbar, then go to remove pictures from start menu properties. So just click on enable, apply, then OK. So next is the music. To enable the music, remove pictures icon from menu from start menu. So next is the network places. So in the network places, it's the same start menu and taskbar. So just find the remove network icon menu from start menu. Next is add log off. So to enable this policy, just find the add log off to the start menu on the policies in the start menu and taskbars. Click apply, then OK. So next is the task manager. To edit that, to remove the task manager from the Control Alt Delete options. So here you need to navigate to user configuration, administrative templates, then system, then Control Alt Delete options. So here you can see 4 policies. Just click on the remove task manager. Then next, enable the policy by clicking the enable, then apply, then OK. So here, if you click on the BSIT policies, you can see the different policy that you have enabled there in the BSIT policies. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video.